Hello everybody, this is Alex from soychinchao.com, and today we're gonna unbox a flagship killer. No, I'm not talking about that one. I'm talking about this, the Redmi K20 Pro, and it's time to unbox. Before we begin, we would like to give a special thank you to Mobile2Go for providing us with this unit. And just to remind you guys that this is an imported set from China. It's not running on global ROM, so that means you don't get Google Play Store out of the box. So in terms of design, the box looks like a typical Redmi device, and it comes in this black and purple color scheme. Well, without further ado, let's unbox the Redmi K20 Pro. Okay, well, it looks like quite different. So you get this small box, and you get a SIM injector tool, as well as a small leaflet, I guess it's a manual or something, and a hard plastic case. And then, you get the Redmi K20 Pro. So this is the carbon black version. Let me just put this aside first. And inside here you get a charging brick. So since it's a Chinese unit, you get this two flat prong design, and it says here it pushes 18 watts, 9 volt 2 amps, 12 volt 1.5A, and you can even see a quick charge 3 logo down here, so that's compatible as well. And then you get a USB Type-C cable, and that's pretty much it. You're not going to get any headphones, and yeah, that's it. Let me just put the rest of the stuff aside, and let's peel off the plastic stickers. So this is it, the Redmi K20 Pro, and the unit we have right here is the carbon black version. And as you can see, there's this fine carbon fiber like textures. There's layered underneath a curved glass back. You should get this premium looking metal frame, and overall it's definitely more premium than the Poco phone. The overall texture reminds me of the OnePlus 6T McLaren edition. The K20 series is also available in striking red and blue color options, and that comes with a cool looking flame effect. Up front, it comes with a 6.39-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, and as you can see right here, there's no notches or punch holes at the top, so this gives you an immersive viewing experience edge to edge. Similar to the Xiaomi Mi 9, it also comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor, and apparently this is more reliable because it comes with a larger surface area. The K20 series is also Xiaomi's first smartphone to feature a pop-up selfie camera. The motorized mechanism houses a 20-megapixel front-facing camera. And check this out, it even illuminates in red, just in case you don't know where the camera is. In terms of hardware, the K20 Pro runs on the top-of-the-line Snapdragon 855 processor, and you can get it with up to 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. Unfortunately, you can't expand the storage further since it doesn't come with a microSD card expansion slot. At the back, it comes with a triple camera setup that's aligned vertically in the middle. The main camera is very similar to the Xiaomi Mi 9, as it comes with a 48-megapixel f1.8 main shooter that uses a Sony IMX586 sensor. It also gets a 13-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, as well as an 8-megapixel telephoto shooter that offers 2x optical zoom. Powering the K20 Pro is a rather large 4000 mAh battery that charges via USB Type-C. It also supports 27-watt fast charging, but just to remind you again, the box comes with an 18-watt charger. Unfortunately, it doesn't support wireless charging, but it does come with a 3.5mm headphone jack at the top, and this is also hi-res audio certified. If you're interested to get this flagship killer, the K20 Pro is now available at Mobile2Go. And just to remind you again, this is an import set, and the base model with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage is priced at 1,898 ringgit, while the 8GB RAM version with 128GB of storage is priced at 2,098 ringgit. The highest spec model with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, like this one, is priced at 2,298 ringgit. If you're looking for the international model with Google Play Store included, this device will be released on the 12th of June 2019 and will be known as the Xiaomi Mi 9T series. That's all for now, so this is an unboxing of the K20 Pro. Is this the ultimate flagship killer? Let us know in the comments down below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, like us on Facebook, and subscribe to us on the YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so that you'll be informed of our next video. Don't forget to check out the latest video here, and also another awesome video right here. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!